Pass the wrench there, Malik. The 10mm one.
Uncle Andre, you think their mama is gonna notice that the pipe fixed when she come in?
She noticed everything. Little man. Even when she not say nothing.
She not notice the way you look at her though.
You're too young for you watch them kind of sin thing, youth.
Me just a watch truth. You love her.
Mind your business, Malik. Adult thing complicated.
Complicated, I mean, you have to ignore it.
You think it's so easy? One wrong step, and we lose everything, no?
Or you gain everything.
You sound like you know how life work already.
Me just know when somebody care about somebody, them supposed to show it.
Go run a back, go sweep the yard. You know a little bit too much for your size.
Yeah, me soon reach.
You ready for step out with a real man tonight?
Me ready for have a decent conversation, Ricardo.
Yeah. People always say, love easy if you fine. Just dress up, step out, smile a good time. But them not sit down, same chair we sit in. Across from man we chat and still not listen. Some only watch me shape, them not free my mind. See me skin first, heart come last in line. Date after date, new face, same ache. Some loud, some bright. Some
Evening,
just
Tasha.
fade.
You look real nice tonight, me have to say.
Evening, Ricardo. Thank you. You clean up yourself too.
You know, your body shaped like a buckle of red stripe, curvy in all the right place them.
Ricardo, please, can we just talk?
Talk? With a body like that? Me no come out for chat, babe. Let me see you spin round, man.
I'm serious, Ricardo. Ease up. You're too close.
Why you so tense? Just enjoy yourself, no?
Enjoy what? You're not even trying to get to know me.
Me see all me need for see already.
Me never come out for this, Ricardo.
You're just shy. That's all. Me can fix that.
Me not something to fix.
You're too serious, man. Loosen up, little.
Your mouth loud, Ricardo, but your actions show say you no respect me.
You're just too uptight, Tasha. Man like me not beg nobody to understand we.
I am a mother and a business owner, not a piece of jerk pork. Good night. Hey, Nikki, you good? Listen, we have a little date tonight. You can keep Malik for me couple hours?
Tash, me wish me coulda help, but me tie up tonight bad. Work run late, and me already promised we go check pon mommy.
Not even for a little while? Me nah go stay out long.
Me sorry, sis, me really can't manage it tonight. Maybe next time, me promise.
All right, next time.
Mama, why you not just call Andre to come stay with me?
All right, may I go call him? I don't really have no other choice.
How me look, Malik? Be honest now.
You look like a queen, Mama, but who is the lucky man this time?
A nice man named Marcus. Him work in a finance.
Another one, Mama. Why you can't stay home? Uncle Andre is coming over anyway.
Andrea family, Malik. A woman need romance too.
But it's not supposed to feel like work every time, Mama.
You wouldn't understand yet, Malik.
Me understand when you come home tired and quiet.
Me just no one settle.
Maybe you're not settling. Maybe you just overlook what they're right in front of you.
You sound like one little old man. Give me advice on thing. Malik, them things they no feel worry about. Just be a youth. Me love you, you hear? Come give your mother one hug.
Me love you too, mama.
Evening, Tasha. You really look nice.
Thanks, Andre. Malik already eat. Just make sure him do him Caribbean studies homework.
No worry yourself. Be safe.
You let her walk out the door again. You're weak, Uncle Andre.
You think you're easy? Come, go sort out your homework.
So I told the CEO, look, my BMW don't park in a regular spot. You see the watch? Solid gold costs more than the shop you're working at.
That's nice, Marcus. My shop is actually...
And then I bought the condo in the Cherry Gardens. Private pool, only the best for Marcus. You know how much horsepower the BMW have? Man can't even drive it slow. That disrespectful to the engine.
Well, me was saying...
Plus me link with some big people now. Politician them. When me walk in a place, everybody stand up. Respect.
Right.
One time security try stop me. Me say, boss, you see this face? This a VIP face. He move out the way same time.
Marcus, you ever go give me a chance to talk?
Anyway, me like how you're quiet still. Enough woman chat too much.
It's not quiet. It's just you'll never stop talk.
You're funny. Me like that.
Enjoy your steak, Marcus.
You think she having fun?
Me hope so. She deserve the best.
But Marcus a big head man. Him only love him car. But why you don't tell her how you feel, Uncle Andre?
It no so easy, Malik. Hurry up and finish your homework. It'll get late.
If I you are gonna meet me halfway. Hold me and same way you hold me space. Till then me ride out the lonely days. Call me out to real for play. Me come home late, kick off my shoes, makeup and napkin, silence in a room, watch ceiling dark, wonder if I'm wrong. If me ask too much, fi belong fi stay strong. But deep down me know, me deserve one real one. One we're proud fi show me, even when crowd done. Still me not settle, still me not bend. Rather sleep one deep than share my soul pretend. If I you are gonna meet me halfway. Hold me and see I'm where you hold me space. Till then me ride on.
All that money and not even a how was your day. Me tired for feel invisible, like me just dead there. Every man loud, but nobody really see me.
Respect, little man. Your mother about?
Uncle Andre, she inside to get ready. Another date, you know?
Another one? Well, that's how it go. Bring this kitchen paper and flour inside for me now.
Uncle, why you always bring the things that mommy forget? You're more like the man she needs than the man them she go out with.
Guy inside, mind your mother hears you. Go help your mother.
Go on now.
Malik, what you have in the bag? This dress feel like it shrink since last year.
Maybe it don't shrink, mama. Maybe you just not need to be wearing it if you go see Darren.
You have a fresh mouth, boy.
What wrong with Darren? Him have a really nice car and him talk nice.
Talk nice or him talk too much. And him don't even know how he knows nothing about us, really. Andre know everything about this house and us. Don't you see that, Mom? Andre is like me brother Malik. Stop push the line. It's not happening.
You look good, Tash.
Thank you, Dre. You sure you don't mind watching him?
Never. We have football match to watch anyway. Go enjoy yourself, man.
Thank you. I'll be back soon.
Hear that? Him not even come at the door. Chuh.
Uncle Andre, you ever feel like you're waiting for a bus but you're already standing at the station?
What kind of deep talk that, Malik?
You love me mother. Admit it. Me see how you look at her when she a laugh. Why you let them bag a wire man come round here?
Because she happy, Malik, then. If me talk and she not feel the same, me lose her completely. Me rather be her friend than be a memory.
So you not even gonna give me a kiss? After me pay for all that lobster?
Check the receipt, Darren. Me pay for my half. Go on home.
You all right, Tash?
Dre, if another man tell me about his cryptocurrency tonight, me might scream.
Night didn't go so well, right?
Dre, I don't even want to talk about it. Sorry.
All right, come in.
So Darren gone to the graveyard too?
Malik! Sure, be nice. But yeah, him gone.
Mama, you know what the problem is? You're looking for a king when the general already in the yard.
Malik, enough now. Andre is my best friend. Him they here when your father left. Him they here through every hurricane.
Exactly. So why you not in another photo of them on the wall?
Malik, stop talking. Eat your breakfast and mind your choke.
All right, me tired of the play now. Both are uno. Sit down.
Yes, boss?
Mama, Uncle Andre love you. Him love you more than cook food. And Uncle, tell her, stop being a coward. Malik, get out your room. No, not until the truth come out. Look at him, Mama. Really look at him.
Tash, him talking the truth.
Dre, what you saying?
I've been loving you since we was 16. But I see you struggle. I see you try to build a life. I never want to be another burden. I just want to be a rock.
A rock don't just sit in the garden, Andre. A rock is supposed to hold up the house. Why you never tell me?
Me was afraid, Tash. Afraid that if me ask for more, me get nothing at all. Plus, me not have what the men I see you date have.
So instead you stand up on the outside, watch me struggle, and say nothing?
Me never want to pressure you. You already carry too much, Tash.
And you think silence help me? You think we need more quiet?
Me think you deserve better than a man will only bring half a heart.
Better is not always loud, Andre. Sometime better they right ya, so I'm too scared for speak.
You know how much night me come home and feel like me talking to nobody?
Me see it. Even when you try hide it.
All them man, them have big talk, big things, but me always feel small around them.
You never small, Tash. And them just never know how to treat you.
And you never make me feel that way. Not once. All this time, me searching Kingston for a man who treat me right. And you are right here in front of me, fixing me sink, always being there for my son, making me laugh when me want cry.
I'm not perfect, Tasha, but I do try. I watch you go all the time, and it burned my heart. But I just wanted you to be happy. Me never think me good enough for you.
You are perfect for us, Andre.
Hey, Uncle Andre. Or can I now call you my dad?
Give it time, little man. One step at a time, we'll definitely get there.
You see that jerk? Everything we need.
Right this so.
Rather sleep one deep than share my soul pretend. If I you, I